Hi guys, my name is Prenny and I work in retail and meron pong customer na lumapit sa akin. She was like, "Hey, can you just scan my grocery items while I sit on the bench because I'm not feeling well?" And I said, "Sure, I can do that. Is everything okay? Are you in pain?" And she said, "What did you say? I did not understand that." I said, "Are you in pain?" Tapos I pronounced it again. "Are you in pain?" Hindi pa rin niya naintindihan. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, ano bang synonyms ng pain? Di ba hurting? I said to her, "Are you hurting?" And she said, "I'm sorry, I did not understand what you said." No idea. What did you say again? I said, "Are you hurting? Are you in pain?" Hurting. Hurting. Are you hurting? Are you in pain? Are you in pain? Are you hurting? Hurting. Hindi pa rin niya naintindihan. Siguro, hindi siya nakakarinig ng masyado. Or I don't know. Or siguro din sa accent ko, the way I pronounce the word, hindi niya maintindihan the way I pronounce the word. And I was like, "Are you?" Or like this, "Are you?" Yun, naintindihan. Nagkakaintindihan kami. Yun lang pala.